Aveeno, Repairing Cica Foot Mask, 2 single-use slippers. Product overview description. Dermatologist recommended enriched with prebiotic oat and shea butter helps repair extra dry, problem skin 10 minutes. 1 paraben free fragrance free formulated to be gentle enough for sensitive skin. Aveeno dermatologist recommended for over 65 years. Indulge your feet in our new easy to use, non-drip Repairing Cica Foot Mask. These slippers are the latest addition to the Aveeno Skin Relief collection, designed to help restore essential moisture to problem skin. They are infused with a unique formula that helps balance skin's natural moisture barrier, containing shea butter with levels of prebiotic oat known to have soothing and nourishing properties, leaving your skin visibly soft, smooth and healthy looking. What is Cica? Cica comes from the French word cicatrisation. Aveeno Repairing Cica Foot Mask is formulated to intensely moisturize and help repair problem skin. Problem skin is defined as extra dry skin. Suggested use. Step 1, wash feet thoroughly and dry. Step 2, insert 1 foot in each slipper and fasten the strap for comfort. Sit back and enjoy some well-deserved me time. Step 3, remove after 10 minutes. No need to rinse. Step 4, massage remaining product into skin until fully absorbed. Other ingredients: water, glycerin, distilled ammonium chloride, butyrolatum, isopropyl palmitate, cetyl alcohol, dimethicone, Aveeno sativa, oat, kernel flour, benzyl alcohol, Aveeno sativa, oat, kernel oil, steareth 20, sodium chloride, butyrospermum parkii, shea butter, extract, Aveeno sativa, oat, kernel extract. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.